That crash right there has had Jace Owen sitting in Australia for over a week now, saying, quote, on his on his Instagram, saying, quote, I'm not sure where to even start. A week from this past Friday in Melbourne, I crashed in practice and was knocked out for around 5 minutes. Had tonic-clonic seizures for a couple of minutes and a lot of breathing issues. I'm lucky to walk away with a concussion, 4 broken ribs, lacerations on my liver and lung, and a grade 2 AC joint separation. I'm still over here in Australia, but will hopefully be released to fly home in the next week. That's pretty bad, especially considering you don't know how bad you are and how long you're going to sit there, and especially being in a different country. Obviously, medical care is medical care, and I'm assuming he's getting the best he possibly can. But you never want to be in a different country and stuck there for an indeterminate amount of time. But who knows? It's good that he's up, uh, you know, not aware of what's going on, and you got to say, hopefully he heals up soon and just gets to get home and I don't know, heal. Obviously, get home and heal and be okay, and get back to racing whenever he's up and able. But I don't know. You guys tell me, what do you think of World Supercross? Because that's where this came from. Obviously, it's only was 3 rounds again this year instead of the 6 it was supposed to be. But whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Wish him good luck, whatever you want. But as you're down there, comment, like I said, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.